Hi everyone, so in this video I want to share with you some of the newer fragrances in my collection. Some of them aren't actually new, they've been around for a while, they're just new to me. Others are released this year, so they are very new. But I wanted to share them with you. I'm waiting on just a few more before I do too many reviews, but if there's something in particular that you do want to see a review on before something else, please let me know in the comments below, and if you have any specific questions, leave them down there too. But I'll let you know what I'm waiting on, and I will show you what I picked up and some of the things that you may not have seen because they are newer. So first is the Lancome Tresor La Nui. You may know this by Night, Tresor Night or Tresor Onyx. This one was actually called Onyx, but the name of it is Tresor La Nui, and I actually quite enjoyed this one. Just to let you know, it's very strong, but if you liked Angel back in the day, this might be something that interests you. It's not the same, but it's got a feeling like that. It's just more mature and grown up, but in a nice way. It's still a very lovely scent. The next one was the Tresor Midnight Rose. From the notes, I thought I'd like this one more than I do. My husband really liked the La Nuit and the Midnight Rose on me. I think he actually preferred Midnight Rose. It's very, very strong, but I will let you know more about that in a review. But I think out of these two, I like the La Nuit better myself. The next things are perfumes that I'd overlooked. I don't really have a lot from Elizabeth Arden, and I know, I think, did they have a sunflower or a flower perfume a long time ago? And green tea. I think at some point I've owned green tea or tried it, but I'm getting more into tea scents now. I've noticed a lot of the fragrances that I'm enjoying have tea, either normal tea, white tea, green tea, or yerba mate or mate. And I think some of these have a mixture of either white tea, tea, or mate. And there's something about the scent that it's very aromatic, and I'm really enjoying that kind of a scent now. And these are the white tea range. So this is the original white tea, and I really like this one. There's a few things that I want to say about it, but I want to do a review on all of the white tea versions. But I surprisingly like this a lot more than I thought I would. They then have the Vanilla Orchid flanker for the white tea, and the Wild Rose flanker as well. Now the other ones that come in that collection, I think there's two more, which I do have on the way, but they haven't arrived. It's Ginger Lily and Mandarin Blossom. So those are the last two, which I haven't tried before. It's a blind buy, and I'm hopeful. One of them is said to be very similar to the Aromatonic by Lancome that was discontinued many years ago that I loved, and I think that was the Ginger Lily, and that's released this year. So it's a new scent, but it's meant to be similar to that. So I'm excited to try that one. The next are from the Leviable range. The first one is the last year's release, and that's the Leviable Intensement. And the next one is this year's, which is the Leviable Soleil Crystal, I think is what it's called. Soleil Crystal. And that's a coconutty scent. So I will let you know. I don't own the original Leviable. I think from smelling these, I think I've smelled, there's similarities apparently between these two and the original. But I'm trying to decide whether or not to do a review on these without having the original. Would that be helpful? Would you rather me compare it to the original? Would that be more helpful for you out there who want to maybe try these but have the original and aren't sure? Let me know in the comments below if that would be more helpful, because then I might just wait a while and try to pick up either a sample or a really small version of the original and compare them. Let me know what would be more helpful for you. The next is something that I don't know why I haven't added it to my collection sooner, but it's the Angel Nova. This is the small rollable or purse size, refillable purse size, and this is Angel Nova by Mugler. I've tried it. I love it. Obviously, I think it's a lychee scent. I'm very attracted to the Angel range. I love that gourmand, foodie, chocolatey, just really innocent kind of teenager, adolescent scent. I think though for me, I don't know, Angel has just aged and really well. I still enjoy using it, and just the different flankers. I've enjoyed a couple of them. I don't own many of the flankers, but the ones that I do, the different variants that I own, I just really love them. And this was no exception. So I can do a review on this if you're interested, but yeah, let me know. Next are a few from the Giorgio Armani Sea range. The first is the Sea Passion. So this is just the normal Sea Passion. And then I haven't opened these yet. I actually haven't tested them at all. This is the Sea Passion Red Maestro Eau de Parfum. So it's slightly different to the other Sea Passion range. And then it's the Sea Intense. Now this is the new version of the Intense from 2021, so this year. It's not the older style in the black bottle. This one's in the clear bottle with pinky red liquid in it. I'm also waiting on 2 final ones from that collection, so I'll just check. It is the Sea Passion Intense. So it's going to look like this, but it is a different variant of it. And the Sea Flory, so the floral one in the pink bottle as well. Next is not a perfume, it's a body spray. I think they had a perfume. I don't know if they still have a perfume in it. It's the Soap & Glory Original Pink Body Spritz. I actually really enjoy the original pink scent in the body scrub and moisturizer and even the body wash from Soap & Glory. So I picked up the body spray. And it doesn't last very long, but it's really nice. Next, I bought a sampler set from a brand called Chi Chi. I don't know if it's available overseas. I think it's Australia only. And I know you can get it from Maya. It's very, very affordable. And it's more aimed at a younger market. But some of the scents just sounded fun and I wanted to try them. It's the Chi Chi Discovery set. So you have things in there. That's called a Meet the Girls set. This whole thing's $29, and you get, 8 different fragrances. So kind of fun. It'd be, I'll try them out and let you know what I think. Because if you're looking for a gift for someone younger and they're just getting into fragrances, this might be a good one. But sometimes in things like this, there are a couple of gems that you could really enjoy, even if you're not a teenager or younger. So you've got things in there like peach and mango, passion fruit, persimmon, strawberry, vanilla orchid, marshmallow, blueberry, and watermelon. So we'll see how that goes. Then to round it off, I have some sample kits. So this is An Other. There is just some of the smaller versions of their perfume in here, which you can see, the vials. I actually quite like the way that they've packaged this, is that each of the scents has its own card with a picture and a description on the back, which is quite nice. Again, I really enjoy it when fragrance houses release sample sizes or testers, particularly when they are more expensive. It's always nice to try things before investing in a full bottle. The next discovery set is from Frederick Mali, and again you've got a little information pack and you've got 6 of the scents in there, including one that I already had a few of, Portrait of a Lady, which is it's a chypre, is that how you pronounce it, scent. Essentially like florals with woody, mossy undertones to it, which again, I've really been into it. It's more of an older style type of scent, or the concept is not not new, but you can have sort of modern takes on it, but I've really been enjoying those kinds of scents, and I might do a group of my top fragrances in that kind of fragrance type. So florals versus fruity florals versus amber scents, and then the chypre scents. So if you're interested in that, keep your eye out. And if there's anything in particular that you're wanting me to review as a group, let me know. And then lastly, just to round it all out, there's 2 little sample vials which I'll add to my sample collection. One of them is from Toka, it's Stella, which I haven't tried before, which is always nice to get something that I haven't tried. And the next one is from Alice Brooklyn called Sweet, which I've never tried anything from this brand before, but it sounds sweet. So that's it. That's all I have to show. All I have to show. It's quite a few, but that's all from there. What I'll do now is I'll just add them into my collection. I've kind of been moving things around and getting things out of drawers and things that I haven't used for a really long time, and just refreshing my setup. And yeah, it's been really nice to also try some of the samples. And I'm thinking I might do a video dedicated to some of the samples just to show you what I've got. I think another thing that I've tried out is recently I found a website where you can create your own fragrance wardrobe. So I've actually been adding all the perfumes that I own into different wardrobes. So things that I am trying, things that I own, things that I used to own, and things that I would like. As well as all my samples. So that way I've got sort of an online catalogue list of what I have, and that's been quite helpful and just fun, a little bit, what's that word, confronting to see how many are there, but I really do like most of them, and others that I didn't used to like so much, I'm liking more now. Some of the things that I remember giving away and getting rid of, which they don't make anymore and are really difficult to come by, I found just sort of thinking that, oh, I wish I held on to that. And one of them was the original vanilla Body Shop oil, the darker oil, and the Stella Creme Bouquet, I think, is another one. At the time I just really wasn't that interested in them, and now it's sort of something that I would have liked to have had and tried again. There's a few others that I remember getting rid of, where I'm like, oh no, I had that and I got rid of it. No, no, I can't get it anymore. But it's fine. I've got other things that I can wear in its place, and that's okay. But yeah, that's everything to show you. So now that's up to date. And like always, if there's anything you have a question on, let me know. If there's anything that's not in the review videos that you think would be helpful to include in them, please always give me that feedback. Let me know down below too, or in any of my videos. Reach out to me, contact me, let me know, because that way, if you find it helpful, I'll try to include it. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed a little sneak of what I've got, the newer things, the things that I've added to my collection since I last showed you, and yeah, hope you all enjoyed. Like always, I hope you're having a fantastic day, afternoon or morning, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.